Hey guys, welcome to week 3. I wanted to talk through final project part 1 milestone 2 really quickly, and I'm going to use the rubric to discuss it. I know several of you have had a couple of questions about this, and I think it's also important to talk about how it relates to the bigger picture as a whole. So last week you completed the SWOT. I'm going to give you some feedback on that as I grade this week. Normally I come in and I respond on the discussion board, but due to our traveling dilemmas, I didn't have the opportunity to be able to do that. So I'm going to give you feedback directly in grading about your SWOT. All right, so milestone 2 of the part 1 project is the one that's due this week. So you're going to use this template right here. This is the rubric that you can get to through the course content. So you're going to use the template and you're going to go through and you're going to work through all of the stuff that is listed in the prompt. Something I want to point out to you here is that this target market analysis that you're doing shouldn't be more than 1 to 2 pages in length. I want to flip over real quick. Watch me here. Now I flipped over to the entire final project part 1 guidelines and rubric. And here you're going to see that the entire paper should be 2 to 4 pages in length. So don't kill it and make this target market analysis more than it needs to be. This should be a short paper. It should focus on the product, not the company. All of that is listed in this piece, but it's super important that you really read through these sections right here to make sure you're on point. The template is going to guide you through everything and give you a lot of details that you might not normally have thought of. So make sure that you use that as well. I want to say that as you're talking about these different pieces, demographic, geographic, psychographic, all of these different pieces, those do not come from your brains. They come from sources. They come from websites. They come from scholarly sources and also just internet sources that you're going to find that are going to either prove your points or present a different perspective. So make sure you use those sources. I want to tell you one last thing. As you're working through this, as you know that this is milestone 2 of part 1, when you go to submit the final, you are going to have an opportunity to fix anything that was wrong here. So if you get a B on this section, you have the opportunity to correct anything that went wrong and complete that for the final milestone. So make sure you read the feedback that I provide on this and the SWOT so that you can get the very best grade you can on the final. All right, I hope that this helps you. I hope that this is very clear. If you have any additional points or questions, please just reach out. All right, thanks so much.